G'day. Here's a parcel of lower grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's a mixture of fields. There's a couple of pieces of Koroit in here as well as just other areas. Material's been wetted. The white that you're seeing there is the light reflecting. And the rules in millimetres and the material's wetted. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer so we get a better look at the pieces. Nice little blue piece there. Here's this other piece over here. It's got a bit of mud on the top of it. Still an interesting pattern when you clean it off. Just a piece of offcut. Make a nice doublet backing. Piece of Koroit. No colour much in that piece. This is a nice piece of Koroit. Nice pattern. Centre there. Some opal colours coming through. More matrixy on the back. Pieces like this that have been sliced off larger boulders. Get a bit more colour out of it if this grinds down. Sometimes with pieces like this piece you need to use a Dremel and carve it rather than try to just grind it on a grindstone. Here's another piece similar. So you grind it to a nice pleasant shape. Make it into a pendant or something. A few pieces here that have got nothing much on it. Just use that as doublet material. Piece of Koroit. No colour much in it though, I'm afraid. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. There's a couple of reasonable pieces in there. Bye.